Audi S4 repair cost. Audi is a German automotive manufacturer of luxury vehicles headquartered in Ingolstadt, Bavaria, Germany. As a subsidiary of its parent company, the Volkswagen Group, Audi produces vehicles in 9 production facilities worldwide. The Audi S4 is a high-performance variant of the Audi A4 sedan. It typically offers a balance of performance, luxury, and advanced technology. Here are some of the features you might expect to find in the 2022 Audi S4. The Audi S4 is a high-performance variant of the Audi A4, featuring enhanced performance, sportier styling, and additional performance-oriented features. Regular maintenance and service are essential to keep the Audi S4 in optimal condition. Here are some general aspects of Audi S4 service. Regular maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule outlined in the owner's manual. This typically includes regular services such as oil changes, fluid checks, tire rotations, and brake inspections. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial to maintain the health of the engine. The frequency of oil changes may vary based on driving conditions and the type of oil used. Brake system service. Brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid should be inspected and serviced regularly to ensure optimal braking performance. Tire maintenance. Regularly check tire pressure, tread depth, and overall tire condition. Rotate tires as recommended to ensure even wear. Fluid checks. Check and top off essential fluids, including coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. Air filter replacement. Replace the air filter as recommended to ensure proper air intake for the engine. Spark plug replacement. Spark plugs play a crucial role in the engine's combustion process. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for spark plug replacement. Suspension system inspection. Regularly inspect the suspension system for wear and tear. Replace components such as shocks or struts as needed. Battery inspection. Check the battery regularly for proper voltage and ensure the terminals are clean. Replace the battery if signs of weakness are detected. Alignment check. Ensure the wheels are properly aligned to prevent uneven tire wear and maintain vehicle stability. Diagnostic checks. Use diagnostic tools to check for any error codes or issues in the vehicle's electronic systems. Specialized services. Due to the performance-oriented nature of the Audi S4, consider specialized services for high-performance components, such as the Quattro all-wheel drive system and sports suspension. Always refer to the specific model year's owner's manual and maintenance schedule for accurate information regarding service intervals and recommended procedures. For service and maintenance tasks, it is recommended to visit authorized Audi service centers or qualified automotive technicians familiar with Audi vehicles.